So you're gonna bite the shortbread and then take a drink of your mug. Hi, welcome to Mama Debz Kitchen. We are on week 3 of, we are. We're on week 3 of the cocktail cookie pairing for the holidays. Today is going to be easy, like really easy. We're making shortbread, Scottish shortbread, and we're going to do a pumpkin spice, I think it's called a pumpkin spice martini to pair with that.
You think?
I believe that's what it's called. So in here right now, I'm doing a half batch of shortbread. I'll post the full batch because we've been making a lot of cookies lately. So in here I have creamed 1 stick of butter, which is half a cup of butter, and a little over a 1/4 cup of sugar, and then a little bit of vanilla. I always put vanilla in everything. I know that a lot of people are going to say, we don't put vanilla in shortbread. Well, I do.
Why?
Because my mom did, and my mom was born in Cowley, Scotland. Okay. So I'm going to sift in 1 cup of flour. And when you incorporate the flour and the butter together with the mixer, just combine it because you don't want to overmix it. And do you remember me telling you why we don't want to overmix it?
Not at all.
What does it release?
Gluten.
And it makes it what?
Is it really gluten?
It is gluten.
Oh, I just made that up.
And it makes it gluey.
Oh.
I wonder if that's why gluten comes in. So I'm just going to really just incorporate it. And then I'm going to use my broken little spatula to scrape it down. I'm just getting the excess off.
Oh.
And I'm going to stick it in this little dish here. I'm going to bake it on 325 for 25 to 30 minutes when the edges get a little brown. And shortbread's easy, but it's so good. It's so good with a cup of tea. But we're going to have it with a martini.
Yeah, you can't go without an alcoholic drink with your sweets.
I can, but this is for holiday baking, you know? See how it's just incorporated? And it's not really a hard recipe to make. I'm literally just going to pour it in here and shape it. I remember when I was little and your granny would make a lot, she baked a lot. And she would make tarts, the little strawberry tarts. Do you remember those?
Yeah.
And then she would make, I think she would make German biscuits too. And one of them, I always remember her letting me like taste the dough. And I'm just gonna, see, look at, I'm just pressing it down so I don't over incorporate it. She used to let me taste the dough of one of them. And then I liked the other one better because it had more sugar in it, but she would always say, don't eat too much of that. And that one had a raw egg in it. And so in those days, they thought it would kill you. You know what I mean? She probably should have let us eat a lot of it.
Yeah.
Seriously, this is the base for the shortbread. I'm going to stick little fork holes in it because that's what they do, I guess. It's not going to be the most perfect shaped shortbread.
Your hands washed?
My hands are washed. I always wash my hands before we do our show.
I hope so.
I'm going to put little fork holes. I think the fork holes are really just to kind of vent it, but sometimes like little, they pick it up sometimes. I know people in Scotland that are going to watch this are probably thinking, what is she doing? But my shortbread always tastes good, so it's not always the prettiest. Uncle Alfred, There's
one.
Aunt Anna,
2,
Uncle Alec,
3,
Uncle Keith, Danny. I'm just gonna sprinkle some sugar on it and put it in the oven until it browns. And then when we come back, I'm gonna make the martini and pair it up together, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have a chance and you make any of these, tell me what you think is the best pairing. I think the last one I'm going to do is going to be the best, but the cranberry one was pretty good. I wasn't here to taste Tori's. I understand that was very good as well. So it's going in. Look how easy that was to make. When we come back, we're going to pull the shortbread out and pair the martini with it. I'll show you how I make the martini. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. It's free to subscribe. Hi, welcome back. The shortbread is out of the oven, and it's freshly out of the oven. What are you doing?
What is this? Well, I'm just asking a question.
Eric is here to taste test with his, what the hell is this shirt?
I don't know. Let's stay on it.
Takedown?
Takeover.
Okay, we have the shortbread and we have a pumpkin spice martini. I used the good vodka.
Who got you that?
You. Oh no, Pat's friend.
Gotcha.
Pat's friend for my birthday, but it's Belvedere vodka.
Whore, by the way. What?
You said it.
You were thinking it.
Okay, so in the martini, oh, Jesus, we haven't even drank yet. We had 2 shots of vodka, a shot of Kahlua, a shot of Bailey's, and a shot of pumpkin spice.
Is Kahlua alcohol?
Kahlua, yes. It's a liqueur.
What is that?
It's an alcohol. I don't know what the proof is. What? I don't know. What is it? I don't know. It is alcohol.
You're 100% sure.
Why?
You're doing a cooking show. I want to make sure you're on top of your shit.
Okay, so pick a piece of, I know my shortbread's not the prettiest, but it's so good. So you're gonna bite the shortbread and then take a drink of your mug. Oh no, I have the little glass rim.
Dip the shortbread in the
You can do whatever you want. The rim of the glass is pumpkin spice mixed with sugar. How's the shortbread?
Good. Flavorful.
Oh, too. Jesus, I just knocked the floor too.
Ooh, that's wrong. That's very good though.
Is it?
That first kick.
That first kick?
Sip just fucking punched in the mouth.
Oh shit, boy.
Yeah.
Dip it and see if you like it
No,
better.
that
What?
feels like a bad idea.
Why?
I don't know. Not much of a dipper, like cookies and dipping in the milk. I don't like that.
It's strong. That's strong. That's a strong ass martini. The next one I make is not going to be that strong.
Who's that one for?
What one?
That one's for me?
Yeah,
Oh, great.
we're going to be ripped. Okay. It was good pairing.
It was very good there.
The shortbread was good. Easy. Shortbread is easy. Okay. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. This is 3 weeks now. You can check 3 weeks of holiday martinis and cookies. And then next week we're doing an espresso martini with a chewy espresso chocolate chip cookie.
Not an espresso, huh?
Not espresso.
No, it's a lot of espresso.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Thank you for joining us. Sorry about the horror comment.